Petrol eyongedde okukka n'ebitundu 9 n'ebitundu 4 kuva bye yali asse mwezi ogwaggwa n'ebitundu 5 n'ebitundu 9. Ebyo byonna bitwadde tutunuulidde ebbanga ery'emyezi 12 nagambye okuva Novemba oba omwezi ogw'11 okumalako mwezi guno omwaka guno okugeraageranya ne Novemba omwaka 2023. Kale bwe tutunuulira ku bbanga ery'omwezi tutunuulira omwezi ogw'11 guno kwe tugenda okumalako okugeraageranya ne omwezi ogw'10 tukamalako omwaka gumu. Emiwendo giri ku obutundu 2 bw'obugeraageranya byali obutundu 5. Era nga kino kyasinzira ddala okuviira ddala ku kibinja kya COA ekyali era n'obutundu 2 kusinziira okugeraageranya byali n'obutundu 5 mu mwezi ogwaggwa.
Now, to give you a picture of the 10 baskets of CPI that we have centers. Kampala has 3 centers, then the 7 are upcountry. Today, we can see that Kampala high income registered the highest inflation of 4.1% for the 12 months to November 2024. That is from 4.4% recorded in the year that ended in October 2024. And majorly this has been due to the annual food and non-alcohol beverage inflation that increased to 1.2% in the year that is ending November compared to a minus 0.2 recorded in the year that ended in October 2024. In addition, the annual insurance and financial services inflation increased to 10.2% in this year that we are ending in November 2024. When we are looking at October 2023 and October 2024. So the period of 1 year, we had the construction sector inflation increase to 0.8% in the year that ended October 2024 compared to 1.2% that was registered for the year that ended September 2024. The main contributors of that increase, we have special construction activities registering an increase of 0.4% for the year that ended September. We are having special construction activities registering a decline of 0.2% for the year that ended October 2024 compared to an increase of 0.4% that was registered for the year that ended September 2024. For civil engineering works, we are having October registering an increase of 0.7% for the year that ended October 2024 compared to a 1% increase that was registered for the year that ended September 2024. Construction of buildings for the year that ended October 2024, we are having an increase of 2% compared to a 2.2% increase that was registered for the year that ended September 2024. This is a representation. We are seeing the inflation going down. When you look at October 2024 compared to October 2023, where we had a 2.2 increase registered.